Hello everyone, this is Turgut. I wanted to share my recent project with you all. And it's a movie app. Basically, we are fetching movies and we can just after fetching the movies, we can add new movies to our watch list. And just this app is going to recommend us the new movies according to what we like. So basically, we are making there is a search bar here. And let's say I like the Lord of the Rings, which I liked, and Lord of the Salem, Lord of the actually not Lords, Lord of the Rings. I say Fellowship of the Rings, and I'm just this part is showing up after you gave a star, let's say 9 star, and add to your list. And as you can see, this is in our watched movie list, and I can click my Film Oracle button, and after I collect, will recommend us 3 movies. Yes. So as you can see, there are relevant movies. And basically, when we're using search bar, we are just making fetch request to open movie database, which is free. You guys can take advantage of it. And that's what I am using. So this is how they're explain how can you use their API. And then after we just add these movies we liked in our movies watch list. So this part, this is our front-end React app. It's just making post requests to our Python in the backend. And Python I'm using the Flask library of the Python to make this, movie recommendation, which is using LangChain and connected with the OpenAI API. So we are basically asking ChatGPT, giving the movies, just recommend me 3 movies, basically. Let's say try another movie. The Lake House, maybe, then another type of movie. And let's say we just like this one. Was that Film Oracle? Yes, they're really another 3 of the movies very similar to the Lake House. Okay, this is let me show the code which I wrote. And here, this is the recommender JS, which is where our recommendation is happening. This is a React app. It's related. There are other components. This is our main app.js component. Of course, there are other components. It's a little long to explain that part, but I can explain this part is easily because it's really relevant. It's our recommendation part. Basically, we are making a request, post request to our local host. I created a project endpoint in my computer using the Flask app. We were just taking this watched movie title and sending to my backend in the Flask app. This is where is my Flask app. So this is the app.py and LangChain helper py. There's just 2 files here, 3 files here. Actually, one of them is contain my secret key. I recommend you guys to always just put in the different file in your key. So this is app.py is just, it has a project endpoint and handle post and get request. And this function is here. The predict function is just getting the data from our React app request.json. And then after getting that data, we are sending that data to LangChain helper file. And that file has generated movie recommendation. We are sending this data. Let me show you that file here. Basically, we are using OpenAI key, LLM, OpenAI. We are saying a temperature 0.7. Temperature is basically how much you want it to be your ChatGPT creative. You can just give it 0 to 1, and just if it's close to 0, it's more literal. If it's close to 1, it will be more creative. Depends on your task. I found that 0.7 is really useful for my task I'm doing here. And also the OpenAI is charging you guys, I'm letting you know, but there is just $5 amount, free amount, you can use it. I'm using very small app. That's why I'm using ChatGPT here. Of course, you guys can take advantage of it too. Here, and this function is basically taking movie name and just then we have a template, and we are saying that basically asking the ChatGPT, giving a list of the movies that user enjoys, movie name, which we got from our React app. Please provide personalized 3 movie recommendation in the list. Yes, and it's returning that response, and just we are getting that response here after it's returned, and just we are just returning that response here in JSON format. It's prediction list. So then it's getting back to our React app, and we are showing in our here is where I just, this is our button. This is where I use, displaying in our user interface those movies which ChatGPT is recommended. I'm making another, of course, fetch request to open movie database, and just showing these movies with their name and title, how long it is. Thank you so much for watching my movies, watching my not movies, watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. Of course, feel free to ask me any question you wanted about this app. I can explain all the React app and the Python app again, of course, if you guys wonder any part of it. I'm going to share my code in my GitHub account. If you guys wanted to use it, feel free. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it.